Hey everybody, Josh with JDS Science Supply. Today we're out in the warehouse. We thought with the growing popularity of our corrugated plastic material, we should probably bring a little attention to an awesome little tool that's going to make your life that much easier. What I'm talking about is our Coro Claw. Coro Claw is used for specifically cutting corrugated plastic material. So we offer this in two different sizes, both the 4mm and we also have a 10mm. So you're using that thicker material. The little prongs there are a little bit thicker. So let me show you how it works exactly. So I brought one out with me that we've already opened. And you'll notice there's two different prongs there, right? And so there's a unique reason for those two prongs. So we know we're cutting fluted material. So if I want to cut all the way through the material, I'm going to take this inside prong and I'm going to put that into the flute itself, okay? And so this would be just for a straight cut. So if I pull it through material, it's going to follow the flute and cut it perfectly in half. Okay. So now that's how you cut it in half. And this is again 4mm material. The yellow tool is for 4mm plastic. Now let's say I'm creating a display. So what I'm going to do then, I'm going to utilize the outside prong and I'm going to put that inside the flute, just like so. So what we're doing is we're cutting just 1/2 of the material. See, it's still attached. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that same prong and go on the other side of where I just cut. You see that there? So I'll pull that through. So now I've created a bend, but this is still kind of in the way. So what I'll do is I'll open up the cut and I'm going to put both prongs on the other side of that cut. I'm going to cut out the back side of the flute, just like so. So now on the front, I have a nice bullnose radius corner when I'm creating a display or bending the material around something. So hopefully this little bit helps. For more information about our Coro Claw options, check us out online at jdsciencesupply.com or call us at the number below. Thanks for watching.